you recording me?
I am.
Fair play. Okay. We had a call. Are you aware? What
That's why I'm still here waiting.
Oh, okay. They are saying that you've been flying a drone.
That's right.
Over the premises.
That's right.
Oh, okay. What's the intention of that?
To take a video. It don't matter what the intention is. It's uncontrolled airspace, love, and I can fly wherever I like.
Oh, and have you got any certificate for that?
I don't need a certificate for it.
But you got a flyer ID?
I have got a flyer ID.
Yeah.
Have you got that?
I have.
Have you got that on you?
I have.
Have you got that on you now?
I have.
Okay, where is it?
In my pocket.
Okay, can we have it?
Oh, right. You mean, can we have a look at your flyer ID, please?
Yeah.
Pretty much that, so yeah,
So what are the rules and regulations then of flying over an occupied space?
You're supposed to know this, not me.
Well, you're the person that's got the licence, so therefore I'm checking to see whether you know what the rules and regulations are.
Am I alright just to hold it, Peter?
As long as you don't take photographs of it.
I'll record it.
No, don't want that.
Record it anyway.
No, don't want it. Don't take recording.
It's okay, it's in my possession. I'm not going to do anything with it.
Yeah, I don't want you recording it. It's my property.
Okay, I know.
Thank you.
Property, but you're giving me your property. So what I'll do...
No, you took it off me. I showed it you and you took it out my hand.
Yeah, because it's
Right,
easy for
and
me.
I want it back now, thank you.
It's easy for me just to get your details. Okay, darling, I'm just going to write it down.
Right.
But
No, you're alright.
Hang on. I'll just quickly take your details.
You've got my details, you've got them on your camera.
Yeah, but I need to rewatch it. It's easier if I just...
Because we've come out specifically to come to see you because you've been flying.
Yeah, but I don't have to give you my details. The only reason I've given you my details, I don't even have to give you that. And now she's taking it off me.
She hasn't taken it off.
She has, she's refusing to give it me back.
Okay.
Don't matter, I want it back, thank you. My property.
Okay, so what I think it is, okay, and according to the law, have you heard about Article 265 Navigation Order 2016?
Just a series of numbers.
No, it's not.
2016.
It's actually an offence, okay?
Right.
By the sound of it, you have broken the law today.
No, I haven't.
So now, if you just listen out to me, okay? So I suspect you have broken the law. In order to I expect to obviously ask for your details, get your full name, date of birth, etc. Or then tell you whatever.
I haven't broken any.
The encounter begins with tension in the air. A drone flyer is confronted, told not to record, and yet his property is taken from him without consent. He asks for it back. She refuses, claiming it's easier to just take his details. But ease isn't law. Rights are being tested in real time. She cites Article 265 of the Air Navigation Order, convinced she's in control, yet she doesn't realize this drone is under 250 grams. The rules are different. Restrictions, she quotes, don't apply. He explains calmly, step by step, showing her the proper legal framework. The exchange is tense, almost confrontational, a clear clash between authority and the limits of the law. Property rights missed.
Would you like me to demonstrate what it is?
You can demonstrate what you like, and then I'll show you the proper version.
The proper version?
Yeah, the proper version that says a sub 249 gram drone can fly anywhere. As long as it's not.
No.
As long as it's not an airfield or a prison.
No, there's other
That's
laws.
2016, that's 8 years old.
But it's
Yeah.
slightly
years
changed with the recording device, hasn't it?
Doesn't matter.
Well, it does if you record.
No, it doesn't. You don't know nothing, mate. I'll show you in a minute.
That's on there. Do you just want to go through the point and I'll just add this to the log?
Well, we haven't seen where you've been flying.
Would you?
Don't matter.
Well, it does, because you're not supposed to fly with 150 metres of
Who's told you that rubbish?
area.
Who's told you that?
That's what it is.
No, it's not.
I
Yeah?
about that. But you got a recording device on it.
Doesn't matter.
What
Does not
What is your
matter.
purpose?
Making videos.
Of?
Oh, what do you think?
I don't know.
What do you think I videoed?
I don't know what you've
A factory.
So what is your purpose? Why are you?
To video a factory. That's what I do. 400 odd videos on YouTube. This is the third one today.
Have they given you permission to film?
You don't need permission. As long as I take off and land in a public place, I can fly wherever I like.
Well, it's a private place, isn't it? It's not a public place.
No, I said as long as I take off and land in a public place, I can film whatever I like, and I can fly wherever I like, as long as it's not an airfield
What about human
or a
act
prison.
right, then?
What about what?
What about human act rights? What about human act rights?
Human what?
Human act rights.
I don't know what you're
Have
saying.
you not heard about human act rights? Privacy. No?
Right? Haven't you heard that there's no such thing as privacy in a public place?
Well, they are a private business.
Right, okay, let me run a scenario past you then.
Okay, no, you're not running any scenario.
I am going to run a scenario
Okay.
past you. If
you
I
are-
stand outside Buckingham Palace and photograph or video the Queen on her balcony, which is private property, I can do, and nobody can do anything about
There's no
it.
balcony now, are
What?
there? There's no balconies here, are they?
What difference does that make? The point I'm making is,
It is.
I'm videoing somebody on private land.
Okay, but that's not a scenario we're talking about, are we?
Well, it is, that's what you've just been talking
We are
about.
talking about you flying over a private business.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Well, it is, because...
No, it isn't.
ECSO steps in claiming you can't fly within 150 meters of a building if your drone has a camera, but that rule doesn't exist. It's entirely fabricated. The law doesn't restrict drones based on recording devices. Confidence meets fiction, he calmly explains again that his sub 250-gram drone can fly legally even over the industrial estates long as takeoff and landing are on public land. She argues human act rights. He counters with logic a factory visible from public airspace has no reasonable expectation of privacy. Even a simple analogy, filming the Queen's balcony from outside Buckingham Palace, illustrates the principal airspace is public. Rights are clear. Misunderstandings clash with the law, exposing overreach, misinformation and the limits of authority in the sky.
It's like saying 50 years ago, 60 years ago, they used to hang you for murder, but they don't anymore, so that I'm not going to get hung.
There are certain laws that still stand, okay, and I don't think this is one of them, alright?
So what, sorry?
I don't think you've got any right to be filming.
Well, it doesn't matter what you think, we're talking about the law,
Yeah, we are.
right, and you're wrong.
We are.
You are wrong, yes, thank you.
I shall clarify.
Yeah.
You are wrong.
Are you telling me if I get myself a drone,
As long as it's sub 250, yeah?
yeah, and stand in the road and film you,
Yeah,
fly it over your garden,
yeah.
that's absolutely fine with you.
You can fly it over my garden. Now, if you
Okay.
try and video in through the windows and stuff like that's a different
Well,
matter.
how do you know I'm not?
I don't. But you're talking about scenarios, and you didn't want scenarios a minute ago when I'm talking about the Queen.
Yeah, but that's a different matter.
Why is it a different matter?
Because it's the Queen.
Because I was saying it, not you. Right, okay. Don't have to give it you.
You do. Because
Why do I?
suspect you've committed an offence.
That's what, sorry?
I suspect you've committed an offence, so I need your name, your date of birth and your address. In order to
I'm not giving them to you.
In order, in case we need to contact you further in relation to this
Story. We're not
So
trying
that's
to-
fine, I'll stand here all day until you find
I
out.
haven't got time for that. I haven't got time for
But
that.
what
Well, that's not my problem.
But what the officer's asking is, she's got the right to ask you for your name and your date of birth, and it's offence not
No,
to give it.
no, it's not. It's only an offence if I refuse to give my name and address, if I've been arrested or I'm being detained.
Well, you're not being any of those.
Right, thank you. So I don't have to
Find
give
out.
I don't have to give my details.
But we don't know whether an offence is
She's
being
got my name. She's got my flyer ID. She can track me through my flyer ID.
You realise that if you don't give me the details, I'm going to have to arrest you.
That's all right. Then I'll sue you.
Fine, you can well, you're not going to sue me, but I haven't got your details. You're refusing your details. You have committed an offence in my eyes. So I need your details so I can deal with you without taking you to custody. If you refuse those details, I'm going to have to arrest you. Okay.
And what are you going to arrest me for?
For breach of that.
For breach of that?
For breach of the flying. Yeah. breach
What
of-
flying rule's that? Explain to me. Give me the details.
The one that you've been arguing to me about.
Right.
Tension escalates. She tries to argue, insisting he can't fly over the estate, invoking human act rights. He remains calm, explaining the law. It doesn't matter if it's a factory or Buckingham Palace. The principle is the same. Airspace is public and what's visible from it can be filmed legally, but she misses the point entirely, focusing on literal balconies instead of legal principles. Frustration mounts. Now she demands his personal details, claiming he's committed an offense there isn't one. Myths about giving names and addresses on the street collide with real law. PJ asks if he's being detained. She admits he's not without detention. Without officer, there's no power to compel his details. The law is clear. Calm, confident and shaken, stands his ground. Authority meets reality. Misunderstandings are exposed. Rights are defended.
You don't even know what you're talking about.
Unmanned aircraft
Right.
need people, vessels, vehicles, or structures.
Right.
Right?
Right.
That law. Thank
Right.
you very much. Yeah?
But you're quoting specific weights, etc. But you can't prove to us what weight you're.
You're
thrown in.
refusing.
Oh, I can do.
You
You're
can't, because you're
refusing
not allowing
to,
us to see it. So
I can
therefore,
do.
the officer's got the right, because at this moment she doesn't know whether an offence has been committed, to ask you for your name and address and date of birth. It's it's a normal thing, but you're refusing to do that. You're making it difficult.
I'm not making it difficult. I'm just telling you. I'll show you my drone, that's all I'm going to do.
I see that. So you've got a lot of time on your hands, alright.
I'll show you my drone, that's all I'm going to do. And then you can see it's a sub 250 gram drone. Then there's no argument.
But why haven't you done it before then?
You what, sorry?
Why haven't you?
Because it's up there.
In the end, he shows them the drone.
Confrontation reaches its peak. She threatens arrest. If he doesn't hand over his details, Kamlai asks the simplest question, arrest me for what? Her answer, a breach of that of the flying. It's not a law, not an offense, not even a complete sentence. Threatening someone's liberty without a legitimate offense is not policing. Its guesswork. PJ remains unshaken. He shows his sub 250 gram drone, the one he described from the start. Every rule she quoted inapplicable, every threat baseless, every claim of authority invented. She had multiple chances to posito checto admit a mistake, but ego blocked reason. This isn't just about drones, it's a lesson in law, authority and rights. If you're calm, confident and informed, you can stand your ground. The law protects you, but only if you know it.